Okay, people, I'm back with the MC update. I done put up a new video probably a couple of days ago of what I was doing to the music and stuff, and a lot of you might watch it, a lot of you might not. This is again the 2001 Monte Carlo. It used to be black and red, with black and red 22 inches to match. These are new. This is a new paint job, triple black, red flakes, with blue trimming, with new 22-inch rims staggered to match. This is the engine bay. Basically, I done upgraded the battery, which had a red top in here, but now it's yellow. A new alternator, 220 amp high output alternator with a small overdrive pulley. If you ain't noticed, the pulley is a little bit smaller than the standard one, which lets me get more power out of this at idle. Also, I added a Stinger 200 amp battery accelerator right here. And I had that hooked up to my ignition switch, so whenever the ignition is in the on position, it'll allow my batteries in the back to be charged by this main battery right here in the front. Most people get confused about why you need so much batteries if you're not, in competition. Well, sometimes the amp itself takes a lot of power out of the car system, so instead of letting it drain the alternator or the main battery, you'll put two extra batteries or one extra battery in the back to accommodate for the current draw, the rapid current draw that it comes every time the big bass hit. It draws a little bit of power. But this is a simple setup. This MC is right now. I'm working on the music. I've done the engine, I've done the transmission, I've done most of the suspension already, which was, I lowered it a little bit so it can sit on the tires nicer, because it's not low to the ground, but it's just lower than regular MCs. So that's a good thing. This car has been serviced with almost everything on it, so this is the outcome right here. Take you around to the inside of the car. This is my current setup. I got a 6.5 in the factory position. I got a 6-inch, 8-inch, and a 1-inch, super tweeter. And then on the quarter panel, I have a 6-inch. And back here, I had two 6x9s, so I recently took them out. And I also changed the setup. Last video you saw, the wiring was everywhere. I had two batteries back here in this corner. Well, I changed the setup a little bit due to the fact that I got a new box, and I told you guys I'd be changing the sound system in here. And, it went from 6.5 in the door with a tweeter and the 6x9s in the back to now having 4 speakers on the front door. Well, 3 speakers and a tweeter in the front door, and I'm about to make way to get 2 speakers back here on the deck right here. But for now, I'm just letting these two 6-inches on the quarter panels play. One right here and one right here. Still got the crossover right here. Will be replaced soon. Still got the amp right here, soon to be replaced. And the power equals 650-500. Which is soon to be replaced. This is the old school / new school LFA series. All the wiring has been done cleanly. As you can see, my power source has 2 power sources for the amp, and my ground has 2 grounds for the amp, and they come all the way around and go to the underneath and then follow along to the battery. This is a new box. I changed the speakers. I had 3 12s in here, CVXs. It took me at least a month and a half to get this.
and I had this box ordered to fit these babies. This is the new setup right here. If you look back here, you have no room in the back. These are 215 CVXs. I have 312 CVXs. These are 215s. If y'all put the phone closer to them, you see how small the phone is to the subwoofer. I relocated my batteries to back here. They still get a good charge. Whenever you run electrical, always make sure there's fuse involved. I have a fuse right here just for the 2 batteries. I have a fuse right here for the mids and high amp. I have 2 fuses right here. 2 of them, not 1, 2. For the 2 power sources that goes to the base amp itself. I got my multimeter right here. Can't work without this. All the connections are done cleanly, they're tightly. Everything is tight. Everything has been cramped good and wired good, taped up good. No loose wires back here. Again, this is the new box, 215s. I'd say this hit 3 times harder than the 312s that I had. These are 2,000 watts each, running off a 5,500 watt amp, running at 2 ohms. So basically I'm dishing out, I'd say probably 2350 RMS, if not the full 32 that it says it gives you at 2 ohms. I'm pushing out about 2350, 2400 watts RMS to these 2. You know, and I see the difference from the time that I put this box in. This box is 36 across by 14 wide by probably 14 tall. Excuse me, not 14 wide. Let's see. Damn, I didn't even remember the measurements for this. I know it's 36 long. It's about 15 from down to up, and in the back is 10 to up, and going front to back is about 23, I believe. Yeah, I think that was the measurement. But most people don't understand that when it comes to subwoofers and bass, it's all about the box. I don't care what kind of amp you got. Don't care what kind of power source you got. It's all about the box. If the box can't push it, then the woofers ain't woofing. So that's basically it. These are the new sound system. I'm not going to play them right now because, you know, I'm working on other stuff. Check my videos out. You can see my dash has been open for like, I don't know, probably, I've been driving like this probably 2 weeks now with no cluster. I'm having issues with the security light and the ignition switch right here. And I'm having problems with the BCM, which is under the brake pedal on the far left. For some reason my car is acting crazy. It wants to lock the doors and pop the trunk for me by itself. So I can't set the factory alarm or the aftermarket alarm because it'll set it off by itself. I haven't found anybody with a fix yet for that, but I'm checking up on it. Anyways, I'm finna demo some motherfucking music. I said I wouldn't play no music because I got a headache right now. Not really a headache, but a mild concussion due to the fucking bass that I've been driving around in all day today. I gotta play my radio loud. I don't know why. That's my high. Everybody else do something. This is my high. But again, the new system is here, but it's not fully completely installed yet. I have 2 new amps coming. I have an equalizer coming. I have 2 or 3 new batteries coming. I haven't figured out if I'm gonna get 3 yet. I already got the box ordered and made. It's here. The 215s aren't catching dust anymore inside the house. They're here. I have all the speakers. My surround sound speakers are here. Again, these are, I don't know how you say them. I call them cadence or cadence. And then for the tweeters, I have Pyramid TW44, 300 watts. These are heavy-duty tweeters, 300 watts each. This door is the exact identical of that door right here. And I have 6 inches and a quarter panel on the back. Again, I have a battery isolator that allows me to charge the 2 batteries in the back when the car is running. When the car is off, I run off the batteries in the back, which, you know, doesn't let me drain the one in the front when I need to crank the car up. I get about at least an hour and a half to 3 hours. Yeah, from an hour and a half to 3 hours minimum of music time on the 2 batteries in the back. So that's very good, and that's that regular volume level, like a decent amount of volume level in bass. Not some crazy, you know, loud, but at a decent amount of volume that, you know, you can hear it. So that's pretty good. I'm almost done with the car itself. I'm just having electrical problems right now, like anybody else do with the security and the BCM, the body control module. But that's basically it. I'm gonna play a little bit of music and I got a remote, but I'm using the touchscreen. It's quicker. This is the Pioneer AVHP 3100 DVD.
Yeah.
Remote sold separately. It's $25. $25 on eBay.
I live it up like these on my last day. If time is money, I'm an hour past paid. Gunpowder in my hourglass. Liquor faker, just some flour in the powder bag. Yeah, I put it down like my hands curving. I'm on a natural high, but I land perfect. Some of us are lovers, most of y'all haters. But I put up a wall, and they just wallpaper. So lover hate me. I say hate free, they say we learn from mistakes, but that's why they mistake me. I got some weight on my shoulders. To me, it's like feathers. All hell weak. Call it bad weather. I stick to the script. I memorize the line. Cause life is a movie that I've seen too many times. You're on the outside looking in close to blind. The screen never say.
God bless America.
I am. Would you place your left hand on the Bible and raise your right hand and repeat after me? Carter.
Days I try to think, I can't. On my mind, my way. Don't live here, don't even visit. In the kitchen, the pot of chicken. This ain't satisfied, mama missed it. This ain't satisfied till they mama missed them. Those fools like Methodist, that's true. On any instrument, I say you rappers, I say the instrument. I'm benefit, I benefit. I say you rappers, I like King Shawna. Ain't a motherfucker harder than
President Carter.
Alright, that's enough of the little music. Let me do a little bit of flexing real quick. I'm gonna play some music. And play a little bit of music to flex, see what they look like.
Doing this right is crazy. I feel big, man. Like not big in the sense of weight, you know what I mean? Like gaining weight or nothing like that, like colossal, like, you know what I mean? Like, I heard you were looking for me.
Mind you, this is all playing off the batteries. There's no... Car's not running. Car's just on. It's not running. It's an accessory right now. Yeah. People don't know that. That's why you have two batteries in the car for. If I had some more G's on here, I'll play some, because G's got some of the best bass out here on his album, especially the intro. But that's just a little preview of the music, flexing. I might have to get a new latch for the trunk soon. play some Rick Ross before I end the video right here.
Stepping in the crib, I gotta back you down. So old school steel in my cap and gown. G's on the V. 1.5 for the transfer. Gotta let it be all on the answer. I got it all cash. Bring them all back. Know how a hustler move. Do what he gotta do. Okay. Fuck the prosecutor. Tell him never got it killed. 1.5 settle all these silver suits. Platinum $1 million diamond gold in the silver suit. £1 million. Fuck a chick all in the shower like I'm trying to drown. Turn my back just like a king, I let her wipe me down. I'm showing John down to my jeans, how you like me now? Just to knock her down. I get a new broad when she not around. Fuck a phone bill. They don't want the bill. You wanna feel a rush? I give her Sugar Hill. 1.5 for the transfer. Gotta let it be all on the answer. I got it all cash.
I got some new videos coming soon. Hopefully it's all about be completed by the time I'm done with the next video.